Hello everyone. In the last lecture, we discussed about relation between lattice parameter or edge length of the unit cell and radius of the sphere. In this lecture, we will going to discuss about packing fraction and packing efficiency. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon and share as well as like the videos. Here we start with the packing fraction. Then what is my packing fraction? The fraction of the total space in a unit cell occupied by the constituent particle is called packing fraction, or it is the volume occupied by constituent particles per unit cell. Then packing fraction is calculated by using the formula packing fraction is equal to volume occupied by all effective atoms divided by volume of unit cell. Then packing fraction is equal to Z effective, which we discussed before, into volume of atoms divided by volume of unit cell, that is the AQ. Here Z effective means the number of atoms or the spheres which contribute to form the volume of the tube. Then, but volume of the sphere is nothing but the 4 by 3 pi r cube. Therefore, packing fraction is equal to Z effective into 4 by 3 pi r cube a cube. This is the formula for calculation of the packing fraction. Then next we discuss about the packing efficiency. Then what is packing efficiency? The percentage of a total space in the unit cell occupied by the constituent particle like atoms, ions or molecules of the crystal is called packing efficiency. Therefore, packing efficiency is nothing but the packing fraction, but as it is in a percentage, so we calculate this packing fraction by multiplied by 100. So formula for the packing efficiency is equal to volume occupied by all constituent particles divided by volume of unit cell multiplied by 100. Or packing efficiency is equal to packing fraction multiplied by 100. That means once we calculate the packing fraction and if we multiply that packing fraction by the 100, then we get the packing efficiency. So packing efficiency is also calculated by using the same formula of a packing fraction and to that multiplied by 100. So packing efficiency is equal to Z effective multiplied by 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by volume, that is the A cube, multiplied by 100. Then percentage of void space. This is also important for NEET or a JEE point of view. Then vector space or a space not occupied by the constituent particle in the unit cell is called as the void space. That means the space which is not occupied by the atom present in the solid. That space is called as the void space. Void space is given by fraction of void space is equal to 1 minus packing fraction. Or if you want to calculate the percentage of the void space, then it is equal to 100 minus packing efficiency. So here we discuss about the packing fraction, packing efficiency and percentage of the void space.